Forget everything you thought AI could do, because what you are seeing right now, this is not a normal website. This is a complex research paper automatically transformed by AI into a stunning interactive story. And this is a 3D world built with digital Legos, where an AI can take your creation and instantly rebuild it into something complexly new. And this is a retro futuristic racing game where the entire universe you are flying through was designed by an AI. This is not a future prediction, this is Gemini 3, and Google just gave us a preview of a jaw-dropping apps we can now build. In this video, I am not going to bore you with technical stuff. We are going to walk through the most mind-blowing Gemini 3 demo apps that have been released, and I will show you the magic behind what makes them possible. We are taking incredible 3D games that you can control with your hands, beautiful animated website created from a single prompt, and beautiful AI tools that will change how we create art. Get ready, because this is the biggest leap forward in AI we have ever seen. First up, let's look at how Gemini 3 is about to completely change website creation. There are not your typical templates. Look at this. It's called research visualization. The AI takes a boring, text-heavy PDF of research paper and turned it into this, an elegant, interactive narrative that actually fun to read. Gemini 3 reads the paper, understands the most important data, and then design a beautiful flowering website around it. Or check this out, the Lumina Festival page. Look at these immersive scroll effects, the animation, the way everything comes to life as you move through it. You could just tell Gemini 3, make me a landing page for a music festival called Lumina with a cosmic theme, and it designed the entire experience. And here, in this e-commerce example, a smart chatbot that can answer customer questions, find products, and guide them through the site. It's not just a website, it's an intelligent storefront. This is where things get truly next level. Gemini 3 is not just writing text, it's building entire playable worlds. This is the voxel toy box. It's like having an infinite box of digital Legos. But here is the magic. You can build something and then tell the AI, okay, now use that same blocks to build a castle, and it resembles it instantly. You can even upload any image and the AI will transform it into 3D voxel art scene. It sees your image and understands how to rebuild it in 3D. Okay, so now get ready to play. This is Gemini Runner, a high-speed racing game through a stunning sea cosmos, and this is Space, a 3D arcade shooter. For both of these, Gemini 3 can generate the level designs, the enemy patterns, and even the story, all from a simple prompt. It's like having an AI game director. But this one is my favorite. It's sparked to the beat. This is Gemini 3's real-time vision in action. It's watching you move and translating that directly into the game. It's really incredible. And finally, the Sky Metropolis. This is like SimCity, but with an AI game master. Gemini itself gives you tasks and challenges to manage your virtual city. You are not just playing a game, you are playing against a live AI brain that is reacting to your every move. Okay, so beyond full websites in game, Gemini 3 is also powering a new generation of smart, simple tools that will become instant favorites. So, Forget searching for icons online. With the SVG generator, you just describe the object or scene you need. For example, a minimalistic logo of a rocket taking off. And Gemini 3 draws it for you as perfect, scalable vector graphic. This is a massive time saver for designers and developers. And for the builders out there, check this out. A full physics sandbox. You can simulate gravity, collisions, and how different shapes interact. The AI understands the laws of physics and can create a testing environment for you on the fly. It's perfect for prototyping games, mechanics, or just having fun. Okay, so now let me show you what I have built from it. I have been using Gemini 3 and I actually created 3 different games and even a complete website just to see how far it can really go. And the result honestly blew me away. First, I asked it to make a simple car racing game where it generated looked it insane, the full neon aesthetic, a dynamic background, and a real sense of speed. The controls were smooth, a gameplay felt polished, and the entire thing was ready within the minutes. I didn't write a single line of code. Gemini 3 handled everything end to end. Then I tried something simpler, a tic-tac-toe game, but even this came out better than I expected. Clean colors, a modern layout, a sharp UI. And the coolest part, it automatically set the opponent as Gemini. So you are literally playing against the same AI that built the game. That alone feels futuristic. Next, I went nostalgic and asked for a modern version of classic Snake game, just like the old Nokia days. And again, it delivered smooth animations, vibrant neon colors, perfect movement, and a clean interface. It genuinely felt like a fully polished minigame you could put on the Play Store. But the biggest surprise was not the games, it was the website. I asked Gemini 3 to create a full digital marketing agency website. What it produced looked completely professional. A clean UI, beautiful layout, proper spacing, and everything functional. I could navigate through home, services, contact. Every button worked perfectly. This was not just a template or a mock-up, it was an actual ready-to-use website. At this point, it's clear, Google has absolutely nailed it. This is not a concept or a demo. This is real, usable, production-ready, output generated in minutes. AI is not just assisting, but now it's building. So what have we seen here? We have seen an AI that is no longer just a chatbot. It's a designer, it's a game developer, an artist, and a true creative partner. The power of Gemini 3 lies in its groundbreaking features. Its ability to understand the video, audio, and user interaction in real time is what makes a game like Tempo Strike possible. Its advanced reasoning allows it to understand not just what something is, but the logic of how it's built. Like when it resembles the wax sculpture, and its seamless multimodal brain is what allows it to make a simple idea and instantly generate a complex, fully functional website or a playable game. We are entering the new era of creation where the only limit is our imagination. The ability to build complex interactive software with something instruction is no longer science fiction. It's a reality. The future is here and it is more exciting than we ever imagined. If you found this video helpful and are as excited about the future of AI as I am, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.